Hey guys, Video Game Brawlers here, PSA here. Today, I almost complete for final touch it's Ultimate Dragonoid 3D print. To get it, the silver body, the hands, and the 2 green eyes. Right, let's do it. Okay, now it's done. Wow, there we go. Here it is, 2 green eyes, silver line, orange line, and there's a red line here. The back here is a Pyrus symbol, is the silver back. Those are cool. No magnet on the top of here. Cool. Awesome. That's amazing. And I finished, completed off of the Ultimate Dragonoid 3D print. Awesome. There we go. So this is a Ultimate Dragonoid 3D print from Bakugan Battle Brawlers. That's fantastic. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Click to watch the Video Game Brawlers unboxing and artists and Bakugan too. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel, click into the bell, click into Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Yeah. Okay guys, thanks for watching everybody. See you next time everybody. Bye and Bakugan Brawl!